Getting the crash report and Unreal process has crashed UEE error and MECCHA CHAMELEON on PC. Don't worry, in this quick guide, I'll show you the most effective fixes to stop crashes and get the game running again. Before trying any advanced fixes, start with a simple restart. Temporary system glitches, background process, or memory-related issues can sometimes trigger Unreal Engine crashes. Save your work, restart your computer, launch the MECCHA CHAMELEON again. If the crash persists, move on to the next step. Step 1. Update your graphics driver. Outdated GPU drivers frequently cause Unreal Engine crashes. NVIDIA users open GeForce Experience or app, download the latest driver from NVIDIA. AMD users open AMD software and General Edition and check for updates. Intel users update through Intel driver and support assistant. After updating, restart your computer and test the game. Step 2. Reinstall Visual Microsoft C++ and DirectX. Missing or corrupted runtime libraries can prevent games from launching. Install or repair Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable DirectX and user runtime. Restart your system afterward. Just go ahead and follow the steps that I am currently doing on Visual C++ website. Just go ahead and scroll down until you see this latest version and then click on x64 if you have 64-bit. Click on it and download. For DirectX, just go ahead and click or type in runtime DirectX or just DirectX. Click on the first link. As long as it is a Microsoft link, it is a trusted link. Once on this page, go ahead and click on download. Once download, make sure to install the downloaded files on your PC and restart your system afterward. Step 3. Install the latest Windows updates. Missing Windows updates can lead to compatibility problems. Open Settings, navigate to Windows Update, click Check for Updates, install all available updates, restart your PC, try launching MECCHA CHAMELEON again. Step 4. Verify game files. Corrupted or missing game files are among most common causes of Unreal Engine crashes. Steam users open Steam, go to your library, right-click MECCHA CHAMELEON, select Properties, click on Install Files, choose Verify Integrity of Game Files, wait for Steam to scan and replace any damaged files, launch the game again once the process is complete. Step 5. Run the game as administrator. Permissions issue can sometimes prevent the game from accessing required files. Locate the game's executable file, right-click on MECCHA CHAMELEON on Steam, click on Manage, and then browse the local files. Here you will see Penguin Hotel. This is the executable file for MECCHA CHAMELEON. Right-click on it, and then click on Properties. Go ahead and click on Compatibility and checkbox Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this game as administrator. Once it is ticked, go ahead and click on Apply and then OK. Once done, launch MECCHA CHAMELEON once again and see if this problem still persists. If it does, let's move on to step 6. Last step is setting the game to high performance. Running the game in high performance mode can improve stability and reduce lag or crashes. Open Windows Settings, go to your system, Display, Graphics, add a game if it's not listed, click the game option, select high performance, click save as such. As look at my Valorant here, it is on high performance. Go ahead and click on browse and locate your executable file. As like the last time, it is on the Penguin Hotel. Go ahead and add on it and then select high performance. Also, one last thing, make sure that you turn on or enabled hardware accelerated GPU scaling and restart your PC as well. Once done, go ahead and restart your PC and launch MECCHA CHAMELEON. Go ahead and give this video a like if this video helped you or helped you with the crashes for UE. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.